I feel being a woman has played greatly to my advantage in the sense that naturally I believe women are nurturers, and so because we have that like I say inbuilt sensitivity and nature to be more open-minded and willing to, whatever the case may be, listen to people who come before us. And also I want to believe, because of other roles that we play apart from being judges, that also we are able to take closer look at things and not just go by just the fact. You look at everything, the circumstances surrounding every case. So I think being a woman has helped greatly in my job as being a judge. Okay, I would say for a lot of us, it will be being able to balance our private roles as women, as wives, as mothers, and then also being very present and being able to deliver quality work, doing justice along the way. So I would say usually for me starting off as a young magistrate many years back, it was going through childbirth and then going through sleepless nights and then still being able to wake up very early in the morning, see through the day's cases, and then sometimes sit through the night trying to write a judgment. So I can see that has been the challenges, but it's usually for a short period of time, and it's been good. It's been a great experience. I think the advantage again of being a judge is the way the district court judge and then being a magistrate is the way most of our offices are designed. We have our chambers, so for the new nursing mothers, as we're able to sometimes go with help who can watch the baby for a short period of time, and then when they get to a certain age, it depends on the individual magistrate or judge, when they get to a certain level, and then you put them in school. So I would say our work environment has played into being able to accommodate us managing the job. I think a lot of women would like to pursue their careers, but it depends on I would say the background matters, because not everyone is privileged to have a good support system. Coming into the job, you need to be balanced mentally, physically, emotionally. So, and if you don't have a good support system at home, then it might be difficult to doing your job well as a judge or magistrate. So I would say the only thing we can encourage is, so if someone wants to pursue a career, then maybe the family, the people that the female judge has within her environment that can at least support. I would say yes, but usually from maybe people who probably have not met me before, and I wouldn't say I'm the only one who has experienced it. With some of our colleagues we've discussed, and most people just assume because you're a woman you probably wouldn't spend as much time, not knowing that we oftentimes even give more of our time just because we want to do good, because we expect that people are going to judge. And sometimes even in court people expect that because you're a woman this would be a pushover, it's going to be easy to get what you want. And it's always a learning experience for everyone who comes, and then they see that's not the case. So other than that, I think it's been okay. I would say I I would say yes, because definitely as a man their perspective is different, as a woman the perspective will be different. And then I find that in a lot of cases that I have been exposed to, and then even from conversations with some of our colleagues, most people, the litigants, those who use the court, actually feel more comfortable when a woman is involved, because they expect, okay, this person might be more sympathetic. But at the end of the day, being able to approach a case one way or the other, I think boils down to the individual person. It's really not about whether you're a woman or a man. But in our part of the society, most people tend to gravitate towards the women. I would say maybe my first judgment in a criminal matter, I would say that struck. I know I had many sleepless nights, but there's been hundreds of judgments ever since. But I know over the years, the thing that keeps coming back and that has helped me is when I get a feedback. And I mention criminal cases because I have encountered some of those people that have even been convicted. And what has been memorable to me is what they always tell me, that sometimes, even beyond punishment, the delivery matters. Having that human nature, being able to explain that it's really not about putting you down. Yes, you've done this wrong, this is what the law expects, but the delivery matters. And I've had instances where outside the court, where ex-convicts will approach me and say thank you for the way you did it, and truly my life has gone a different way. I'm doing something positive now. I have many examples, but those are the things that have stood out for me. Oh, I think it has gone a long way. Will I say I'm a beneficiary of the many women that have come before me, and there are a lot of women judges that have paved the way for us, and I still borrow from even till this day, and they are doing very wonderful things both locally and internationally. I've been opportune to go outside, and women are taking center stage in a lot of things, so I see it getting even bigger and better. Well, I would say that you should trust the process, and our first thing is your mindset and the reason why you want to be in this profession matters a lot. It is one thing to say I just like it for the sake of the title, but it is a job that is very demanding, and it is not about status. It's being able to do justice even when it is uncomfortable for you. So if you have the right mindset, then the sky's the limit. And also I would tell aspiring judges that you will definitely not have everyone like you 100% all the time. Sometimes your decisions may be challenged, but that is what comes with the territory. So expect that, as on the one hand you're being patted on the back, on the other hand people would also challenge, but as long as you're willing and open to learning, then